Star fruit?
Hello guys! Presenting my fruitcake. Chocolate. O, diba napaka-creative ko? Huh? Sinong magpapagawa dyan? Mura lang ang service fee ko. Diyos ko, tagakain lang ako. O, diba? It's so nice. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Wait. Yun. From top. Wow, so nice. Diba guys? Kung gusto nyong, magpagawa, just message me, inbox, at your service. Thank you guys for watching. Magpapakain na ako ng, tiyanak. Bye!